just rechecking all the pins here on the TEA2000, this time at 4 milliseconds of division, so we can see a bit more detail of the frames. That's pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4, pin number 5, pin number 6, pin number 7, pin number 8, pin number 9 is ground, currently 2 volts of division. And on the other side, pin number 10, pin number 11, 12 volts, pin number 12, pin number 13, pin number 14, pin number 15, pin number 16, pin number 17, and pin number 18. I'll just quickly redo these now at a higher rate. So I'll turn it up to 80 microseconds so we can see some of the waveforms. Pin number 1, you can see where I've got the sync. Pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4, pin number 5, pin number 6. I'll just adjust the sync a little so we've got some kind of sync there. Pin number 7. That was interesting. Let's go back a bit. I almost thought I saw a wave there, but maybe I didn't. Pin number 8. I think you can see the waveform without me syncing. Pin number 9, ground. 10, still going to be somewhere around 8 volts. And 11, somewhere around 12 volts. Let me just find him. There's 11. Here's number 12. I'll just see if there's anything in that. No, it just looks like noise to me. A higher level. Could be beyond what the current oscilloscope setting is. Pin number 13, the same. Pin number 14, DC offset. Pin number 15, some kind of clock. There's definitely a shape to this. Pin number 17. Looks like there was something slightly bigger there, like a sync. Pin number 18, let's get the sync back up. No, there doesn't seem to be anything there. Pin number, sorry, that was 17 and this is pin 18, that's the last pin. I think I'll double up on my pins there. But that's all the pins. I hope this helps.